are back. We're gonna put the neon gas in this tube. It's been bombarded. I'm gonna bring the camera over here. Okay, so this is the butyl phthalate. The gauge is gonna raise right there. It's the butyl phthalate gauge. And what butyl phthalate is used for is because it doesn't evaporate under a vacuum. So we've got 11 in this tube. Looks great. We'll seal it off. Close the secondary valve. This is still under vacuum because we only put millimeters of pressure in it. Sucks together. You just drag it right off. That's our final seal. Make sure you fix this because this will stab you if you're not careful. If you'll let it. Pull my leads up. We're going to go over to the burn-in bench and hook this up. It'll probably be a little discolored on one end, but that's what this is for. It's called the burn-in process. Burning in. So it's a little discolored here, but it's coming in already, so it'll look good here in a few minutes. So, we've got to block out these electrodes here. It's turning a funny color. I need to turn it off and let it cool. Okay, we're back with the Bud Light border all burned in. Looks beautiful. So now we'll take some blockout paint. I'll roll this up so you can see it. So we're going to block these electrodes out right up to there. I need more paint. Takes keep a lot of paint on your brush and then you don't have to go back. This brush isn't as good as some I've had in the past, so I'm going to let that just dry, and then I'll go back and hit it. But you get the idea. All right, so we're back to the Budweiser sign. We did the border. I had to repair it, but I'm just blocking these out. I don't have gray block out, so we're doing it black. So that goes on there. Then we get another set that goes on here. Okay, now we're going to go to the tank. We want the whole back of it. You probably can't see this. I don't have very good lighting. But we're dipping halfway down. So there's the dip, and then we have chicken wire on the top here that we hang these in so it can drip. If I put this to the back side of the tank, we could do the other one too. So the other one is light, L-I-G-H-T. There we go. So we're going to hang him up, let him drip. Okay, that worked out really well.